Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility so you don't waste time navigating general menus. Once there, tap Display or Vision options to reveal color and contrast controls. You'll see Invert Colors, Smart Invert, and Color Filters listed together. Make sure you identify which one is active by the toggle state. Once you've confirmed the active control, keep this screen open so you can change settings immediately and observe visual feedback as soon as you flip a switch. You now turn off the specific feature causing inversion. Tap the Active Invert option and switch it to off. If Smart Invert is enabled, disable it because it reverses colors except images. Also check Color Filters and disable any filter that alters hues or contrast. As you toggle each option, watch the screen preview so you can verify normal colors return. Once done, navigate briefly through a few apps to ensure the change applies system-wide and not just in settings. You finish by verifying the change across apps and the home screen. If inversion persists, restart the device to clear any transient state. Make sure Accessibility Shortcut or triple-click gestures aren't re-enabling invert colors. Disable those shortcuts if necessary. If problems continue, reset display or accessibility settings to defaults, but only after you note customized preferences. One key troubleshooting tip: if restarting and shortcut checks fail, temporarily enable and then disable the invert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.